Alright, let's get right into the pockets of this Fosoto waterproof anti-shock camera case bag. There is a pocket at the top with a little zipper there on the inside, and then the outside you have a pocket on the right hand side, but no pocket on the left hand side. All you've got is your little spot there to clip in your strap. So now let's open this thing up and see what else there is. So you've got your pads there. You can see that's to protect your devices that you're putting in there. There's a little pad there on the left and the right. But let's see if it'll actually fit my Canon M50 with the kit lens. This bag seems kind of small, so I was kind of skeptical. But as you can see, the camera with the kit lens fits very nicely, and it'll actually even fit my Rode mic in there as well. It's a little tight, it's a little snug, but it'll work. And then I like to also bring with myself some extra batteries. So I've got my spare battery and then also my fake battery for my DC coupler in case I run out. I like to kind of just put those on the side there. And then from there, the DC coupler itself actually will just fit very, very nicely into this top pocket here. And then we can just zip that right up and close it so you can see that it all fits. It's kind of snug, but it all does fit. It also comes with a strap, which is adjustable. It's really nice because some people like to wear things loose. Some people like to wear things closer to their hip or closer to their shoulder or whatever. And then you can just clip this thing in. And once you've got it clipped in, then you're pretty much ready to strut your stuff, to walk the catwalk, which I'm about to do for you. You are very, very welcome. It also comes with this waterproof bag, which you can put over the whole thing. It's one of those things I can tell right away that if I open it up, I would have a heck of a time of ever getting it back together again. So all I'm going to do is basically just readjust it here and just clip it onto the bag, and I will worry about messing that up later. Link will be in the description if you want to get one of these for your camera. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.